Always choose right. Always help others. Always be kind. Welcome to Slow English Stories. Learn English in a simple way. Subscribe and start your journey. Thank you. It is a beautiful morning. Yes, the air is fresh. I like this place. The park is very calm. It feels peaceful here. I feel happy today. Let's walk slowly. Stay close together. I am right here. Look at the trees. They are very green. I like nature. Wait, what is this? Let me see. It is a wallet. Someone dropped it. Pick it up carefully. Yes, be careful. There is money inside. I see an ID card. Whose wallet is this? The name is Ali.
He must be worried.
Yes, maybe very worried. Can we keep it?
No, we cannot.
It is not ours, but there is money. That is not important.
Doing right is important.
We must be honest. Honesty is very important. What is honesty? It means telling the truth and doing the right thing. I understand now. We should return it. Yes, we must help. Let's find the owner. We have the address. We can go there. Let's go now.
Follow this road.
It is not far. I am excited. Walk carefully. Stay together. I am right behind. What if he is not home? We will try again. Yes, we will not stop. What if he is sad? Then we help him. That is why we are here. This is the street. Look at the numbers. I see number 12. We need number 14. It is over there. Let's go. This is the house. Yes, this is correct. Knock on the door. I will knock. Wait for answer. I feel nervous.
Hello, how can I help?
Are you Ali?
Yes, that is me.
We found your wallet.
Oh, my wallet.
Is this yours?
I was very worried.
We found it in the park. We came to return it. We wanted to help.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
You are very kind.
It is the right thing. We feel happy.
Helping is important. I appreciate this.
We just helped.
Please, take it.
We are okay.
Please take this reward.
No, thank you. We cannot take it. Helping is enough. We feel happy already.
You are honest people.
Thank you. We will go now. Take care. Bye.
Goodbye, my friends. Have a good day.
Stay safe. That was good. Yes, very good. I feel proud. You did well. We all did. I am happy. Doing right feels good. It brings peace. I feel calm. I learned something. What did you learn? Honesty is important. Yes, very important.
Always do right.
I will remember. We are back. Same park again. It feels different now. Yes, it does. Because we learned. Yes, we did. Always be honest. Even when alone. Even when no one sees. That is true. That is important. I understand. Honesty brings happiness. It builds trust. It feels good. Always choose right. Always help others. Always be kind. Do you like this story? Learn English with us. Subscribe for more adventures. Practice every day. Keep learning. See you next time.